So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find saved videos on YouTube PC. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your YouTube into any browser, and then from here, let me just save it a video. So for that reason, I will go with the three dots here and simply go with the save to playlist. So if you tap on the playlist, it will show up all the playlists that you have. So I have only one playlist, which is watch later, so I will select this one and simply close it up. So that's how I can save a video. Now if you want to find out the saved videos, then you need to go with the playlist on the left side. Here is the playlist, simply tap on that, and now into the watch later playlist. So for that we need to tap on the view full playlist. Now as you can see, I have the playlist and I have the video saved here. So that's how you can find saved videos on YouTube PC. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.